Velashape, it's a machine that is working with the infrared lights, radio frequency and vacuum massage. Velashape is reducing the volume of the area and is reducing the typical dimples of the cellulitis. The infrared are warming the area and warming the fat cells. Radio frequency is tightening the skin. The vacuum is helping mainly to drain all the fluids in the area. It's a very good technology that is working with different ways trying to achieve the best result in small fat areas. The most common area, normally we are treating the thighs, the tummy, sometimes the double chin. The best patient, it's a patient that is already in shape. We cannot treat overweight patients. Start seeing some result about 2 months later. The perfect result, it's about 4 months later.